All right, cookie time. You can take the lids off of this and you can squeeze it. What do you want to put on it first? See how they did the sweater? So do you want to put something, see the lines here? You can try to draw in the lines.
I'll do this first.
You can do it with these.
I'm going to do this.
Okay, I'm going to use this one.
Okay, I'm going to do this.
You do that one? Okay, I'll put the sprinkles in the bottom and the thing.
Okay, I'm going to squeeze it.
Yeah, squeeze it out. Oh, let me squish them a little bit. Where's the cover? What did you do with the cover? Here it is. Okay. Try one of these. Here's the green one, here's the red one, here's the white one. Okay. Okay. Go ahead. Move it around. Cover the whole thing. Red sweater. You need help? Okay.
What's that?
I'm going to do this after this.
Oh.
Can you move it around?
And here.
What are you doing? Take the toothpick and move it around, see? Oh, goodness.
I'll use that.
Okay. Okay. See if that's enough. Enough? Ooh. Nonna's not good at this.
You?
I'll get it.
I need this one.
Oh, good job.
I need the sprinkles.
You want to put sprinkles on it? Oh, I didn't get the sprinkles out yet.
Okay, I
Started to do it. Let me cut it. Let me cut the bag.
I could do the sprinkles.
Okay.
I get the sequels.
Okay. What are you doing? You leave that on so you don't get the icing all over your shirt.
I just so I'm eating my sprinkles.
What?
I'm eating my sprinkles.
What does that have to do with the apron?
And I have to have the cookies. I'm going to do some more sprinkles.
Okay. Don't get it on your clothes then. Push the sleeves up.
This one too. This one.
Okay.
Where's that? Oh.
Okay. Put some sprinkles on it. There's the white one.
This one white on.
Like little swears. Oh, that's a lot of sprinkles. I think that's enough for me. You want to spread them out a little bit? I'm not supposed to eat.
Yummy.
Yeah, well, yummy, yummy. Make a green sweater.
You can make a green sweater you want.
Oh, if I want. How can I not doing some? Take another
Oh.
cookie.
Huh?
Take another cookie and do it.
What'd you say?
Take another cookie and decorate it.
Okay, I'm gonna wait for you to be finished with this one.
And what are you going to do?
I'm gonna put some sprinkles.
Don't put a lot on, just little sprinkles. Put some red, oops.
There you go.
Why, thank you. Put some red down here.
Yeah. I'm gonna put some white down here.
Okay, what color?
White.
White? eating them.
I have to eat them.
Why do you have to eat them?
Yes, I have to.
Why? It's supposed to be decorating, not eating. TV in the background there. Cassidy getting them all over the counter. What else you gonna put on it? Little snowflake. Ooh, these are thin. That's me. Ain't this a crazy sweater? You got a lot of sprinkles on the counter. Crazy girl. Are you all done?
Yeah.
Are you all done? Okay. Guess I'm making them by myself.